Tourism or Fishery Technology, Mamarites Lumasag, and Anthony. Ako ay yung mga kauban dito ng mga gwapong dapit si Kenneth Juniel. Hindi naman ko kalito sa inyong name, Juniel. And of course, to all of you, mga students who are here, my enemies and family, again, a pleasant good afternoon to all of us. Good afternoon! Good afternoon! Dapat ma-energy po, no? Pwede ma-infect. Anyway, soon ang diploma program natin for Diploma on Entrepreneurial Technology. So, karon lang ko naka-realize na we have to add another diploma programs. So, we can, this will be the beginning of